They say wahala be like bicycle before. Now they say wahala be like nipple. Wey be say no matter how you use bleaching cream, it can never bleach. If you bleach, they will know whether na the real nipple. So this message today when I carry come here, now this message really concern people wey dey Europe, concern people wey be say they dey outside Nigeria. They don't fit open account for Nigeria, then they comot, maybe the account dey dormant. So now if you still dey put money, no mean anything. If you still dey put, then when you reach us, you go rectify the fault. So this message really dey concern for people wey no dey Nigeria, and it still concern those wey still be say they still dey Nigeria. So now exercise patience to lis ten to the message reach the ending. So because this country where we dey now, wey be say you dey Nigeria, you dey inside your house, you no dey safe. You dey outside, you no dey safe. Now they say okay, if you put money for your bank, now your money go dey safe. You put your money for bank now, e no dey safe. You put am for house, e no dey safe. I no come know wetin we wan do again, my people. I don't know wetin we wan do again for all these people. So I no really understand wetin be the major problem, because this very person now, this video wey una go watch, this person can disappear your money comot for your account. If you no go know, you no go even know say your account somebody don dey empty now, because every alert when e dey come, they don channel and the alert go dey come to them. Alert no go dey come to you. So even if say something dey move for inside your bank, inside your account, you know they no give you alert, because they don channel their alert comot for your own, put am for their own. You see the problem I say, because somebody e no dey safe for anywhere. If the way wey Nigeria take dey specialize on criminality, if like say we get brain take dey create things like that, Nigeria for don better. But we no get that brain to create, we no get that brain to do things, but we get brain to steal, to destroy everything wey people oyibo na go do something, but na Nigeria people go sabi operate and take for destruction. No, Nigeria people go sabi operate to thief. Everything everything dey our hand. Everything is dey our hand. So my people, make I not talk too much. Make I put the video, make una lis ten to that, so that everybody now go begin to check himself. Go check your account. Maybe you never reach there. Maybe you dey put something, you go say, and make it just dey so far it dey safe for inside bank. Make you go check yourself. So my people, I greet all of una according to una time. I thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Those who don't subscribe, I say thank you. May God Almighty bless you. So as you watch this video to the end, please like the video, share the video, and drop your comments. Let me know how you feel on the comment section, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.
I was arrested last month in Mobushi here in Abuja. I used to reset any SIM that has alert, bank alert. I will reset it and remove the money inside. We use new SIMs and old SIMs.
You reset it and do what?
I remove the money that is in your bank account.
And steal the money that is in the bank account. Say it properly.
And steal the money that is in your bank account.
How do you do it?
I reset it with your account number. We check it through bank codes from the first to the last. If we get any bank that we get, then you use the SIM to buy the charge card. From there, they will send you the alert. Then from the alert, you will now get the account number. Then
Which of the banks have the weakest link? Which of the banks, or do you specialize more?
First Bank and Access Bank.
Which banks are your favorite banks?
First Bank and Access Bank.
Why are they your favorites?
They are easy to reset it, sir.
They are easy to reset.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been doing this business?
It's last 2 years, sir.
How many people are working for you?
I have 3 guys now here. We are still checking.
Apart from no, you know them. Apart from the 3 that were arrested here,
Yeah,
that are with you here, how many other persons are working with you?
I have almost 11.
In how many states or the federation are you operating?
Kano and Plateau State
Kano, Plateau. What of Abuja?
and Abuja.
What of Lagos?
No, sir.
So you specialize in, mention them again.
Kano, Plateau, Abuja.
What is the biggest money you have stolen from an account?
It's 800,000 from account.
How many accounts? Can you still remember the number of accounts you have stolen from?
And there are many, sir.
You can count them.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is Yahaya Zakari, also known as His Excellency. I really don't know why his AKA is His Excellency, but his name is Yahaya Zakari. He is 46 years old. Yahaya Zakari controls multiple gang of cyber crooks whose stock in trade is to attack, whose stock in trade is to go after SIM cards, phone numbers of innocent Nigerians, break into their privacy, steal their bank IDs, and steal money from their accounts. They have 2 main modus operandi. The first is to go and purchase or acquire MTN lines, the new starter kits in large numbers. And when they get these, they try to activate them. Experience has shown them that at this stage, some of our service providers are recycling old numbers. Persons who have used their phones and for some reasons probably have traveled out of the country, or for any other reason choose not to use the number again, and those numbers are dormant and are currently being recycled and reissued to persons as new numbers. They are very skilled, they are very skillful, and they have ways of knowing or decoding old numbers. So when they put on their starter packs, their MTN SIM start packs, and they are giving options to select numbers, they select old numbers. And at random, they try to explore and see if they can get bank details from those old numbers. That's their first modus. The second, which is very dangerous and where they sometimes hurt innocent citizens both physically and financially, is through deploying gangs that attack innocent citizens, forcefully snatch their phones, or sometimes get these phones stolen via pickpocketing. And once they get these phones, their target is not the phone. No matter how expensive your phone is, they are not interested in that phone. That is not the main target. That could actually be a byproduct or a side benefit from the crime, but the major target is your SIM card. And once they get your SIM card, they try to play around with it and see if they can find anything that can link them or take them straight into your account. And they've done this successfully. And with that, again, once they get access into your bank details, when they get access to your bank details, they go straight to steal your money. The lesson for all of us here is the fact that you must guard your phone jealously. And even when you lose a phone or a number, and you think for some reasons, because you've got 2 or 3 other numbers or 2 or 3 other lines, don't just let your number fly into strange hands. Go back to your service providers, do whatever is necessary to reclaim your lines and reactivate your lines, and avoid letting your phone lines fall into wrong hands. Again, as soon as your phone is stolen from you, get across to your bank, especially if you're someone that does online banking. The first thing you do will be to get across to your bank and get them to take necessary action, proactive action, to ensure that these cyber crooks don't use your